Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, an agriculture teacher. In today's lesson, we are in Form 3 work, lesson 28, and the topic is crop production 4, and the subtopic is cropping and harvesting of fish. On to the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to, number one, define the following terms. The first term is cropping of fish, and the second term is harvesting of fish. And the second objective, you're supposed to highlight the procedure followed during harvesting of fish. There are various terms which are used in this topic. The first term is cropping of fish. And what is cropping of fish? Cropping refers to the removal of marketable sized fish from a particular fish pond, and the harvesting, on the other hand, is defined as the removal of all the fish, both the small fish and big size, from a particular fish pond. There are various methods used during harvesting of fish, and one of the method is use of hook and a line. As far as this method is concerned, it is not good because it normally leads to the injuring of the fish, because the hook normally injure the fish. And the second method used when harvesting of fish is the use of net, and therefore fishnet are normally used whenever it comes to a fishing harvesting process. And the other method, you can use traditional method whereby you can use arrow, where you can just strike the fish using an arrow or a javelin, and so that you can kill it and remove it from the water. Then advantages of fishnet. The advantages of fishnet, the first one is only marketable fish are caught. In other words, it will facilitate the cropping process. And the second importance, fish are not injured, and therefore whenever you are using the fishnet, it guarantees that the fish caught will be alive, because no fish will be injured. Then the third advantage is it ensures large number of fish are cropped at a time, at a particular given time. Then we are going to the procedure of harvesting fish. What are the procedures followed? The first procedure, you're supposed to close the inlet. This is the tunnel that normally allows the water from the source into the fish pond. You close it, then cropping is done. The third procedure, you're supposed to open the outlet. Then the fourth procedure, you are supposed to use a scoop net to catch the fingerlings, and those are the small or the baby fish. Then number 5, you are supposed to put the fingerlings into a holding pod, and number 6, you are supposed to drain the water completely. And what are the reasons of harvesting of fish? Maybe you want to maintain the main fish pond, and therefore harvesting of fish is commonly done. We have various maintenance practices of a fish pond, and therefore one of the maintenance practices on a fish pond is the repair of the dike. The walls should be repaired, and by growing grass where the grass is not there, so that you can reduce the problem of soil erosion, and therefore eliminating a siltation problem. Then the next one, you're supposed to clean the fish. That is, after harvesting and draining all the water, you remove any foreign material which might be present in the fish pond. Then planting of grass. The planting of the grass should be done on the dike, so that it can reduce the rate of soil erosion. Then the fourth maintenance is the removal of undesirable vegetation. Undesirable vegetation may be poisonous vegetation, which might end up poisoning all the fish once they are consumed. Then we have the removal of silt, because siltation is one of the main problems during fish farming. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I'm going to mark the end of this lesson by giving you the following questions. You're supposed to tackle this question. The first question, explain the procedure done during harvesting of fish, and the second question, you're supposed to define the term cropping of fish. For reference, you can refer from the following reference, that is KLB Secondary Agriculture Student Book 3, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can reach us at Elim TV using the following addresses. You can use the well displayed number there, SMS number. Then you can also use YouTube platform, Facebook platform at Elim TV, and also you can tweet us at elimtv_ke. Thank you for watching us, and thank you for joining me in this lesson. Until next lesson, bye bye.